This is weekly chart of gold, and last week price could not test all-time high at 2075. Despite this Ukraine-Russia crisis, price could not close above $2,000 price. After successful breakout of 1960 horizontal support and closing outside 1960, price is trading between all-time high and this horizontal support. If all-time high breaks, then price can go $2,100 price. If 1960 support break, then next target will be 1903. And 50% retracement of this complete trend from 1677 to 2071 have it 50% retracement at 1874, which is our strong horizontal support. So these three level are your support, and 2049 and 75 is your resistance. And this week we have FOMC and Fed will raise their interest rate. You cannot compare this Fed rate cycle with last time in 2015, because when they printed money after 2007 crisis, gold went 1900, but inflation did not come and gold price immediately collapsed until they raised interest rate. But this week Fed will raise interest rate, and this time it's different because tapering process is already done, and this time Fed has inflation and this new risk, Ukraine Russia war. So you cannot compare last time rate hike and this time, both are different. On rate hike you can expect $50 price action in both direction. Then closing of daily candle will confirm we will have higher gold price or gold price back to 1600. These two risks, Ukraine Russia crisis and higher interest rate, both are bad for economy, especially for globalization. When gold break 1900 first time, there were only two countries, Ukraine and Russia. Then it break 1960, two more country came, China and Taiwan. And now you have two more country, and they say they launched missile by accident. You can imagine what can happen if that country launch atom bomb and say that was accidental, then nothing can stop gold from going $5,000. Now it is clear these are three countries they want to invade their weak neighboring country. They said it was technical malfunction, but I don't believe in this story because what is explained in this book, it is happening right now, and cyber weapons are alternate to atom bomb. And one day you will read in the news that some country hacked defense system or another country and launched missile on another country and war started. Everything in this book from Cold War to today, and how Russia started the hacking industry during Cold War, everything is explained in this book. The warning given in the books is happening in real time. We are seeing the next level test of cyber weapon. They are testing can they replace cyber weapon with atom bomb or not. That is why these two horizontal support and resistance, the all-time high 2075 and support 1960 are your key level. If weekly candle close above all-time high, then Fed cannot stop inflation with higher interest rate because they started globalization and now they will pay the price. If we go to daily time frame, then you can see price going up and down between 1960 and 2050, horizontal support and resistance. It goes up then instantly came down. If daily candle close outside this support and resistance, then you can expect a new trend because next higher target is 2100. These were your horizontal support and resistance, and this trend line is your dynamic support. And this week during FOMC, it can retest 1875 or 2100. It is not about rate hike in March, but how much will they raise their interest rate till the end of the year and where inflation will stop. If we go from daily to H4 time frame, then you can see on this time frame price is making a support on 1960 horizontal support. First it make reversal from 1960, then breakout, and now testing and making support. And this is our dynamic trend line as a support. If 1960 break, then next target will be 61% retracement at 1891. If price goes up again from 1960, then we have this resistance 2050 and 2075. If this resistance breaks, then next target will be 2100. You can check exact timing of FOMC on economic calendar. It is 16 March 11:30 pm. If we go back on weekly time frame, this 1960 support and 2075 resistance are the key level for major breakout in gold price. If all of these countries who are supporting Russia, if they together did something bad or good before FOMC or after FOMC, then it can change the direction of gold price, and investor will not wait for official announcement for next FOMC meeting.